Did you know that the current agriculture sentiment score has spiked to plus 0.80, a significant deviation from its historical baseline? This movement, combined with a momentum of plus 0.39 and 19 semantic clusters, indicates a strong shift in sentiment that we haven't seen in a while. With our API, you can access detailed sentiment insights, enabling you to gauge the pulse of agricultural trends and make informed decisions based on real-time data. For instance, if you're developing a predictive model for crop yields, these sentiment shifts can help you anticipate market reactions and adjust your strategy accordingly. Start integrating this powerful sentiment data into your application today. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.